work by myself in the lab processing everything. I just came back from the inpatients, completed all their blood draws. I was ordered by the doctors, nurses, and physicians. And also too as well, I had some creatinine tests. I had a couple of PTs, some antithrombin activity 3, which goes to hematology. I had some CBC, some differentials. I had a troponin too as well, a creatinine, and the LDH. And the renal panel measures your kidney function. And also too as well, the chemistry test, if you have a lactic or an ammonia, those need to be kept on ice and brung down immediately to the labs. We can process it. And I just want to be able to orate and emanate that. Just because you have a physical difference does not mean anything. My disability is not a limitation, but an invitation to do great things. And as a man, you are the teacher of every interaction. So how you move and perceive yourself in the world, that is only going to educate and teach people how they should treat you too as well. And being a man with the physical difference, you already know what it's like, to be a patient. So once you get your clinical skills up to par and they're phenomenal, and you have that, you're personable and you're inclusive and you're compassionate and you have that empathy, everything is all going to open up for you. But you got to be able to think highly and to be able to believe highly within yourself. And as a man, you don't need a helping hand. Just your essence and your naturality of a man will be able to allow you to be able to achieve everything that you want within a life. But you have to be able to create that workaround, and you have to be resilient to all. And just because certain people may react in a certain type of format or a certain type of light, you are the teacher of every interaction. So when somebody reacts in a certain type of way, you get to teach them and educate them through the visibility. So now when you educate and teach them through the visibility of your action, you're changing the perception. You're bridging the opportunities together. But I'm gonna keep this video short. I don't want to just go on and ramble. But I'm off work. Gotta go head home. Take care of the family. But I just want to give a special thank you to all my patients.